Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to optimize your Google My Business. So if you're finding it hard in terms of ranking your Google My Business, optimizing your GMB based on local SEO, I'm going to show you things you need to put in place for your GMB account to start showing up in Google. But mind you, before you start implementing this method, make sure your GMB account is verified. So I'm going to show you this step-by-step guide, what you need to implement to your GMB account to start ranking immediately in Google and start getting lead and sales. So to do that, I'm going to use one particular free tools. They also have premium. I'm going to use BrightLocal Checker. BrightLocal Checker is a particular tool you can be able to use to analyze a particular business account. Like for example, local businesses, dry cleaners, anything, web designer, hosting company, anything at all within SEO and a particular country you want to target. So we want to search for something like, for example, let's say web designer. Okay, and we want web designer within USA. We want to target our business based on USA, our local business based on USA, Canada, Australia, any location your business is from or you're operating from, or you want to operate from multiple places. But in that case, I'm using USA for example. Then once I do that, what I need to do is to click, because we are optimizing for map. Because once you're optimizing for map, you're optimizing based on the IP address of that particular user that is searching for a particular product or a particular service. Now, if you're optimizing for this Google map, okay, let's say if somebody is in USA and is searching for a web designer, this optimization we are using now in based on Google Map SEO is going to help the user to get to your business very fast. So we are optimizing for map. Okay, now what we need to do again now, since we have already choose for map, Google Map, choose the location of our business, then choose the language or whatever. You just go down and click check result. So now these are the page one, people that are ranking page 1, page 2, page 3 to even the last page of the number of each page. Now each page contains 10 to 5 people if I'm not mistaken. So we only want to see what people are doing in this first page that make them to rank in first page in terms of optimizing their GMB account, which is Google My Business. So what I need to do now is to click click page 1. So once we click page 1, we're going to see a lot of businesses like 1, 2, 3, almost to 10, more than 10 people ranking first page in Google My Business. So if you check most of them, the only thing I'm going to review to you is the many things they implement, most of them implement in their GMB account. So if you check, most of them have, this one have 2 review, why this one have 13 review, why another one have 19 review. Not just only by review, but giving the full details of your business. And each business have what they call multiple categories. And if you are under web designer, you can also offer a service near web designer like web hosting, domain provider, something like that. Doing affiliate marketing within web design, like giving hosting, like selling hosting service, or doing VPS service or whatever. So but I'm going to show you the particular strategy that this person implement to rank in this GMB first page in terms of when people are searching for a particular product in a particular location. So let's copy this business name, then go to Google Map, okay, and paste the business name and click search. You're going to bring out the particular profile. Let's go up here. Okay, sorry guys, let me check out another profile here. Okay, let's use this profile. Let me use this profile, then paste it here and click search. Okay, let's go down. something is happening here. Let me just remove this web developer. Okay, this is the business. Okay, let me scroll down. There's something I'm looking for, guys. Once I see it, I will let you guys know. Let's go back to this place. Okay, let's choose this guy. Okay, what am I trying to find out? I'm trying to find out a particular profile that I have this business name. So if we get the particular profile, are you seeing what happened now? We got the particular profile that have this business profile. So we want to know the reason why this young man is ranking in local SEO first page. So now if he's checking out, our searching term is web designer. So we're going to copy website designer. You see, in terms of your business, a lot of you add website designer, for example. We also have web designer, and Google give opportunity for you to use multiple category. Let me edit and show you what I mean by that. Now if you go to your information around your Google My Business profile, if you go within your information info, you're going to see a pen icon here after your name, and you're going to add another category. You can add up to, if I'm not mistaken, you can add up to 5 to 7 category. So now, because our searching time is web designer and somebody is using also website designer, so we're going to check if this young man is using multiple categories, so we can copy those category and paste in our own profile. So now let's copy the word website designer. This is the main primary word category. So we want to know the hidden category, which is the sub category within his profile that is making him to rank in this searching time called web designer. So let's go here and click, just do Control U. Once you do Control U, just do Control F and paste that keyword website designer. Then once you paste it, you can be able to click enter. You can be able to see web hosting company. As you can see, this young man used multiple categories, so I'm going to copy it, go to your category, subcategory, additional category, and add up to those your category to make sure that you have multiple category to meet the searching term this young man is using in terms of using multiple categories. Are you getting my point now? Because this young man is using multiple categories that relate to the service he render. He's a web designer, and I believe he also have a place he can be able to buy web host for his client, if his client is looking for the best host, or maybe the client ask him to, okay, fine, can you offer a good web host you can use and design our website? He will say yes. So going for multiple categories is going to give opportunity for you to appear in multiple searching terms. Now we have already see something like web designer, and also we see digital marketing agency. We are going to copy it and paste in our category here, marketing agency. And if you go back again and click enter, you're going to see web designer. Also you are going to see website designer. You're going to see consultant. Let me go back. There's something I see here. You're going to see service establishment. I think this is a great opportunity for you to analyze your competitors. If you're in web designer, your service you offer web designer, or you're a cleaner, so use the searching terms cleaner agency, search it in BrightLocal, check the people that is ranking first page, and then analyze it to know the particular categories they are using. Most of them are using bunch of multiple category. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to create Google Map with those categories, to send links on those mapping with that category, with the bunch of description direct to the page you are offering, maybe the service you are offering, or maybe the product you want to sell. So once you use mapping with the category word to utilize a description under that mapping, then you can be able to pour some links to that mapping to generate what more traffic. You can be able to even embed the mapping inside your website page. But I'm not after that for now, because I'm trying to tell you most of the things your competitors are doing in terms of their category, because I see a lot of GMB accounts using one category, and if you're using one category, in some cases maybe that particular service don't have enough competition. But if that service have enough competition, most of them are using multiple categories. So we are going to copy something like service establishment, okay, and paste it here. Then we are going to scroll down again, check here in the source page if you can be able to see. Going to see something like internet marketing service. Wow, this is a great opportunity for you to copy it out and also add it up to your own category. This is just like copying the step-by-step, a blueprint to copy what your competitors are doing that is making them to rank. In my next video, I'm going to analyze your competitor GMB account to see the kind of images, a lot of things they are doing. So in that case, we're going to go back to check if you're going to see another. Okay, we are seeing something like graphic designer. We are seeing something graphic designer here. I'm seeing something like graphic designer, and this person that have this GMB account is very smart. Okay. Okay, let me remove the word websites. Let me check if you're going to see designer. Okay, I've seen graphic designer. If my competitor is using graphic designer, I know I don't offer the service, but I'm doing this in terms of creating multiple category, adding up irrelevant issues, like adding up irrelevant categories. And in this case, not just adding up a multiple category, make sure that these are nearby category that define your business. If you're a web designer and you have a team member, I think you can also design a logo. If you create someone website and the person said they need logo on their website, I think you have a team that can be able to offer website designing, web logo, like to design logo graphics, because anybody you design website for would definitely need a logo for their business or a brand logo for their business. That's just the simple thing about it, and that's just a simple secret about it. Once you add up those categories, you just find out in your competitor profile. Once you add it up, you save, which is you need to apply. Once you apply that, you go back and create a lot of most of you don't create posts. It's important you sign up to create something like a good graphics, since you have a team member that work under graphics. They can be able to create infographics about web designing process, or maybe how to create a website or how to start up a website with just $50. Creating it with infographics, a direction, step-by-step guide with infographics. Then you can be able to be posting images, creating images. Even if you have video about one of your happy customers, you can tell them to do a selfie video, or to video themselves to say thanks to so company, they did a nice work for me, they designed so website for me. Then give them opportunity to give you a testimony. Tell them that you need their review towards your previous work with them. They should do a video, a selfie video, or to video themselves to say, I have worked with so company, they did nice work for me. You can be able to post the video here. And then you can also every Friday or every Saturday, you can be able to create what they call offer. Okay, you can be able to create a product, a discount product for your customers. Let's say you design it for $50, for example. Make sure every Saturday you bring it down to $45 or $40. You remove $10 for them just for a discount purpose. Creating images, because people love image, and image is going to help to trigger what you are trying to explain. And there is a particular IP address index port, IP, which is API, API index pod that is going to read your write-up in image. So consider creating a good image that is going to describe what your company is talking about. Sometimes you design a free giveaway price for your product, a free giveaway discount for web design or logo or anything, or discount, or even a break holiday for your brand, or even give some infographics image on how to start up a web designing company. Just simple as that. Creating more image, adding up more category, creating posts within your this thing, giving also creating posts helping people to know how to maintain their website, or how to even get a good company to do a web designing for them, or how to analyze a good company to do a web designing business for them. If you check here, you are going to see 20 people view this image, and I'm getting only 2 clicks. This is a great opportunity for you to know the power of image. I'm not even serious with GMB, but with time I'm going to be serious with it, because I want to teach you guys how to optimize your GMB account step-by-step guide. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell. Once I update anything concerning SEO, you get notification. And thank you guys. Bye.